Okay, so hello everyone. Our today's topic is all about recursive function. Okay, so obviously the meaning wise you can say recursive, it will remain same in C language or C++ or maybe in Java or Python. So the simple definition is a function is called as recursive when it is called by itself, or you can say that function who is calling itself is a recursive function. Okay, and obviously when it comes to recursive or recursion function, we always write one simple program that is of factorial. So today what we will do, we will write also a factorial program only. So we have using def define keyword, we will write a factorial program, a factorial in which accept only one parameter. Okay, and if that parameter is equal to 0, then you have to write result equal to 1. Okay, result equal to 1. Okay, and else, okay, sorry, colon, else, else result equal to, okay, whatever our parameter variable, that is n into, as I said, function calls itself, so name of the function is factorial, the same name, and obviously it accept one parameter. So I am writing n minus 1 because when we will execute this program, initially n will be something, for example 5. So next time it has to be 4, then next time 3, next time 2, next time 1, and so on. That's why it is n minus 1. And at the end, once we are done with the if else, then at the end we have to return our answer. So our answer is actually stored in the variable result. So that is all about our function and all that things. Now we will come back to normal part, that we will write x equal to, because obviously we have used return statement. So when it will return something from the function, we have to store also. So we are writing x equal to, and then we are writing name of our function and only one parameter. Okay, so what is going to happen over here is it will call factorial function. It will pass one parameter, that means n will be 4. It will start from here. 4 equal to 0 condition is false. It will jump to else part. Result will be equal to 4 into factorial of n minus 1, that is 3. So again it is calling the factorial only. 4 is here, 4 into. Okay. Then next time it will again jump to else part. It will be 4 into 3 into factorial of 2 and so on. So this is how it is going to work. And then obviously we will print our answer. So we have stored our answer in variable x. So we will quickly execute this program. And factorial of 4, if I say that 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so it is nothing but 24. So let us check we are getting the answer or not. See, it is 24. If you want, we can try for some other number also. Instead of 4, if I write 5, so answer will be 120. See. So that is all about recursion function. That means function who is calling itself. That is only the recursion or recursive function. Thank you everyone.